A tiny baby bird was thrown out of the nest by its own parents. It was injured and weak, left alone to suffer. Sometimes birds do this when they think their babies are sick and won't survive.
Slowly, the baby bird grew stronger and healthier day by day. Now, it has grown into a beautiful and active bird, Alhamdulillah. In this video, you will shade its amazing growth journey, a story you will truly love. In this emotional rescue story, I cared for the baby bird with love, treated its wounds, and fed it daily until it slowly regained strength. Watching this little soul grow stronger day by day has been an incredible journey. Now, Alhamdulillah, the baby bird is healthy and growing beautifully. Watch this heart-touching transformation and see every stage of its growth. You won't believe the change. I rescued the little bird and gently treated its wounds with turmeric mixed in mustard oil. I fed it Cerelac with a syringe 3 times a day, giving it love and care. As days passed, I increased its diet with crushed grains mixed with Cerelac, feeding it by hand every day. When I rescued this tiny baby bird, it was weak and in pain. I gently made a natural medicine by mixing turmeric with mustard oil and applied it to its wounds. It felt instant relief. Soon, it became active, happy, and started playing around. After some time, when it felt safe and joyful, it began eating properly again. One day, I saw it climbing onto my hand, softly resting and moving its little body, a beautiful sign of trust, comfort, and healing.